So you guys always watch me on camera, but I want to hear from you today. So what I'm offering is still the same free content for everyone, delivering value, but we're also doing a little segue where we're doing memberships for cleaning business owners. So people who are starting a cleaning business or have been running one for a while and having a hard time scaling it, I want to hear from you. What kind of content would be most valuable to you that I can deliver? I want to make sure I deliver valuable content to you to help you grow your companies. So I've written sales books. I've built a cleaning business from the ground up, from starting with a vacuum all the way up to having staff, vans, you name it. So I've learned a thing or two along the way, and I want to share that with you. But if there's anything specific that you would like me to include, please let me know what you want to learn about. Of course, I wanted to make the membership affordable because I know when you're first starting a cleaning business, money might be a little tight. But if you want to sign up for the membership, I'd love to see you there.